Hi everyone, I'm Siyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to mute videos audio on CapCut. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC or Mac. Click the new project option from the top of your screen. Next, tap on the import button. Double-click the video you want to mute and import it. Once the media is imported, click the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the video to add it to the editing timeline. Now, on the left side of the editing panel, you can see the speaker icon. Tap on it to mute the audio of your video. And this is how you can mute videos audio on CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.